What if you could rank your content not just on Google, but also inside AI tools like ChatGPT? That's exactly what this new tool called SerpSling AI claims to do, but does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at SerpSling AI, a new AI-powered SEO tool that's getting a lot of attention right now. I'll break down how it works, its features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth your money. So first, what exactly is SerpSling AI? In simple terms, it's an AI-based SEO tool designed to help your content rank in traditional search engines like Google and newer AI platforms that generate answers. The idea is to optimize your content not just for keywords, but also for how AI understands and displays information. Here's a simple breakdown of how it works. Step 1, you enter your keyword or topic. Step 2, the tool analyzes top-ranking content. Step 3, it generates optimized suggestions or content. Step 4, it helps structure your content for better visibility. So instead of guessing what works, you get a more guided approach. Some of the main features include AI-powered content optimization, keyword and topic analysis, structured content suggestions, focus on AI search visibility. It's designed to simplify SEO, especially for beginners. Now let's talk about the advantages. Easy to use, saves time on research, beginner-friendly, focuses on future AI search trends. And the downsides. Not a magic solution. Results depend on your effort, may feel basic for advanced users. So who is this best for? Beginners in SEO, bloggers and content creators, affiliate marketers, anyone curious about AI-based search ranking? So, final verdict, SerpSling AI is not a scam, but it's also not a guaranteed success tool. It's simply a tool that can help you optimize your content better if you use it correctly. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. And if this video helped you understand the tool better, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.